Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new Vogma V9 air duster, which essentially replaces all of those cans of compressed air that you're currently using to blow crumbs and other debris out of your computer keyboard. Or maybe you've noticed dust bunnies inside your computer, and there's dust on the fan and dust on the printed circuit board, and you don't want your computer to overheat. So what do? You take the sides off your computer, you reach for a second can of compressed air to clean that up. And then you're outside on a beautiful afternoon and you're detailing your car, and you know you've had a couple of snacks in there, so you've got crumbs in every nook and cranny on the console and the dashboard, and you reach for a third can of compressed air to clean up your car. Well, forget about all that. This product replaces all of that compressed air with a handheld, rechargeable, powerful unit that's effectively a wind tunnel in your hand. And I'll get into all the specifications of this product in a minute, but first I'd like to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything that's included, and then I'll dive into the benefits of this product because I use a lot of compressed air. I'm around electronics all the time, and I'm always reaching for that can of compressed air, and more often than not, it's half full or it's almost empty, and I don't have enough, and then I've got to go buy more compressed air. Not anymore. I've got this product here. I just charge it and I can use it. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's get into the unboxing first. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find the V9. Now, it's a really comfortable product in your hand. It weighs 0.67 pounds, which means it's really light, totally rechargeable. You'll also find a charging cable included, which is a USB-A to USB-C. You can plug the USB-A end into any standard wall charger, and the USB-C end plugs into the bottom of the unit, and that's what you'll use to charge it. Once you charge this unit, you can get up to 240 minutes of use out of it, which is pretty incredible. They also include 2 cleaning brushes, which I think is a really nice touch, and these are great if you've got to get into a little crevice or something. Maybe you can't loosen up that dirt and debris with just the air alone, so get in there and brush it a little bit and then hit it with the air and you'll be in good shape. So I think it's nice they've included 2 of those. You'll also find a contact card in case you have questions, and a full instruction manual is also included that explains everything you could possibly want to know about the product, how to charge it, how to use it, how to take care of it, all the things that are important. All right, so let's talk about the unit. Well, again, it's handheld, it's very light, it's rechargeable. I like it an awful lot. I use it for so many things that I use compressed air for, and then I found other things I can use it for that I wouldn't have used a can of compressed air for. So for example, I do a lot of 3D printing, and that leaves a lot of debris on the board, and I brush it off with my hands, and you get things stuck in your fingers, so I can blow that whole 3D printer off with this, which is great. If I'm doing any kind of woodwork or metal work, I can blow the sawdust or the metal shavings off. So it's a really powerful unit. Matter of fact, it has 3 speeds that you'll use normally, and then there's a turbo speed that I just can't believe how much air it generates, and I'll show you that in a minute. All right, so for starters, on the bottom of the unit, there's a USB-C connection right there, and that's what you'll use the cable for to charge it. On the back of the unit, you'll find a single button right there to turn it on. So when you tap that, right away the display comes on. It lets you know what speed you're currently in. So right now I'm in low, and then there are 2 buttons on the front. The top button actually steps it through the first 3 speeds, which are the ones you'll use more often. Then the bottom button puts it into turbo mode, which you have to hold it in because it's so powerful that you're not going to run it, for too long in turbo mode. The fan inside here is a brushless motor. The fan spins at up to 350,000 revolutions per minute. So again, when I say it's a wind tunnel, the air's coming in the back and it's being directed through this tiny little circular section in the front, this little orifice. So it's a really focused stream of air. So let me show you how it works. So when I tap it the first time, that's low. That's medium. That's high. And here comes turbo. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. So let me try and blow a few things around here on the table. I'm in low. There goes the manuals. There goes the brushes. Let me put it. There goes the brushes. They're gone. Can I move the cable? I can't move the cable. How about on high? Whoop, there goes the cable. Yeah, it's off the table. Now let me try turbo. There goes the cable. There goes the box. This thing is absolutely incredible. I don't know if I could have shown you any more clearly just how powerful this is. But again, the thing you've got to remember is that right now you're purchasing compressed air in a can, which to me, even though it's incredibly effective and I use it all the time, just seems so ridiculous to be buying air, right? But it works. Here, you're using the air in the room that's being sped up because of that turbo fan in the back to generate a really powerful stream up front. And the thing I like so much about it is, number one, it's portable. I can take it with me anywhere. It's lightweight. It's rechargeable. I get 240 minutes of use out of it on the low setting, which is plenty for most of what I want to do. And I've got that turbo setting, which blew the box right off the table here. So you can see how powerful that is. I'm not saying you're going to clean the leaves off your lawn with it, but I don't know. I haven't tried that. Anyway, I like it an awful lot. I think that they've done a good job. Vogma's really thought about what you're going to use this for, and they've built a really durable unit that, again, is just, it's really comfortable in your hand. It's rechargeable. It's incredibly powerful. I don't know what more you could ask for in an air duster. I really think this product is great, and I've been using it quite some time. I like it a lot, and I think you're going to like it a lot as well. So hopefully you found this review helpful, and until next time, thanks for watching.